let me start the intro. What's going on, guys? It's Christian. Today we're doing a Gmod horror map. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this. I have no idea what I'm doing. I had so much trouble reading that. Rolls. Turn off all your add-ons. Blue flashlight. Lights will be given to you. Oops. Hello, sir? Sir, don't walk into that. Hello, sir? Oh, so there's like people everywhere. Shot. Hey, sir, can I have a drink, please? If that'd be nice. He never gave me a drink. I'm kind of mad about that. Oh, what's good, little boy? What's good? Yeah. What's in here? I get my own sleeping area. Can I turn off the light? I can't. Well, I'm out of here. So, can't go into town. Town looks small as heck. Can't live in a V club. Is this the boat I'm renting? I thought so. Yo, shot, is it? I ain't driving this thing, bro. What? I don't think he wants me leaving. The heck, how do I turn that off? It's kind of annoying. Well, I'm really far away. Wait, I see a sign. Swim forwards, maybe? What's that noise? What the frick? Oh. Well, there I go. Oh, where am I? I'm on like a island? Huh. What the heck? It's kind of scary. What's that noise? Frick, my mouse. Okay. House, barn, mine. I think I go to the house. Or at least I'd want to go to the house. House sounds a lot safer than a mine. I know that for sure. But what am I doing inside of a house? Too dark, I can't see anything. Screw this, I'm using my flashlight. I have to use a lantern? Bro, it's so stupid. Grab a lantern from the barn to go to the house. Makes total sense. There we go. I don't think I meant to have a crowbar, but screw this. Oh, frick. That actually kind of scared me. I don't even know why. Come on, bro. Bro, come on. This isn't funny. Come on, man. It ain't funny anymore. Just let me up. Thank you. Okay, yeah, this isn't funny anymore. Let me down. Come on, man. That wasn't very nice. Back to the house. On here. Whoa. Ah. No thanks, but that's kind of scary. I just broke it. Don't think I was meant to. Ah. Nothing. Oh my gosh, that actually kind of scared me. Get away from me, bro. Wanna hug? What was bro doing? Hello? My guy. Why is there just... Okay, where am I going? They kind of scared me. I don't really like mannequins, but where am I going? Did you guys see that? Because I didn't. Oh my! Whoa, that actually... That was kind of scary. Whoa! Whoa, what the heck? What is he grabbing me for? Not very nice. Where am I walking over there? And I'm sleepy again. Ah! Please say that's it. That's a huge W. That map was pretty scary. The Lost. That's kind of funny because that's the map name. Whoa, get out of here. GG's. Alright. Shots for watching the video. I'll see you guys later.